Crazy Egg Analytics and Heatmaps pricing explained what you get for your money. Crazy Egg is a well-known tool for visualizing website visitor behavior, but many people don't know how its pricing works or what features are included. Most assume it's just Heatmaps, but Crazy Egg also offers app testing, scroll maps, and detailed analytics to optimize conversions. Crazy Egg offers 4 pricing tiers. The basic plan starts at per month. It's perfect for small businesses or websites with moderate traffic, providing heatmaps, scroll maps, and basic app testing for up to 30 zero-tracked page views per month. You can visualize where users click and how far they scroll, helping you spot friction points. The standard plan is per month and increases the page view limit to 75 zero. It adds advanced features like multiple snapshots, enhanced reporting, and the ability to test more variations in your app experiments. This plan works well for growing businesses looking to optimize key pages. Next is the Plus plan at per month. You get 150 zero-page views, full reports, and unlimited snapshots. This allows teams to track user behavior across multiple pages and campaigns, providing insights that can directly improve conversions. Finally, the Pro plan costs per month for high-traffic sites. It includes 500 zero-page views, advanced targeting, priority support, and full access to all Crazy Egg features. Agencies or large e-commerce businesses often choose this plan to run multiple experiments and optimize complex websites. The surprising truth is that Crazy Egg's heatmaps and scroll maps often reveal problems traditional analytics can't. For instance, a call to action but might be ignored because users never scroll far enough to see it. Identifying these issues and testing solutions can increase engagement and sales significantly. In summary, Crazy Egg pricing scales with page views and feature access. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, knowing your traffic and testing needs helps you choose the plan that maximizes ROI without overspending. If your goal is to understand user behavior and improve website performance, Crazy Egg turns raw data into actionable insights that can drive real results.